Hello, in this short video I'll show you how to use the GMB map Embedator. So, here, as you can see here, you have three fields. In the first field, you type your local business name, city and country. Let's, and you can put here also your keyword. Like it depends on what you'd like to boost in general. But let's say we follow kind of this theme. So let's take emergency dental of Las Vegas, and it says pretty much about the city. So you get the idea. I can just add the USA here. Just for kind of relevance. Here we have a gmap iframe URL and the gmap short URL, and we take those by clicking here share, and this is the send link. So this is the short gmap URL, so I copy it and paste it right here. And the gmap iframe URL is something you take by clicking here the embed map. You click this HTML, you go to like any editor just to make it convenient, and you delete everything here, as you can see, before google.com, and the URL ends as you can see here. So we remove everything here, just so you have this gmap iframe URL in short, and we copy it and we go here and we paste it. Of course it's without HTTP HTTPS. This is why I removed everything before the google.com, and you click run. And now we're gonna wait for a moment because it's loading the commands and validating the license. And if it's your first time using this tool or any of the SEO Synd suite tools, it will show the syndication reports folder on your desktop. Now it's validating campaigns. As you can see, we can open the syndication reports folder. It will automatically show up at the top because I sorted by the date of modification. Campaign validated successfully. As you can see, the folder appeared here, and there are folders, empty folders here, and now it's generating Blogger backlinks. By the way, you can ignore this one because I don't advertise it even. Okay, it's I'm saying by the way, but the remaining ones should work fine. And I'm checking the Blogger if we have our report. Yes, we have our report, and let's check one of the backlink, like one of the posts here. So we go to our browser, paste it, and as you can see, we have our map embedded, and we have here a link to our map. And the software will continue to work, like continue working. And when it's done, it's gonna say the submission complete or something like that, and you just click OK. I will pause the video. Okay, the submission has ended, and I just want to show you this pop-up. Done. You click here, OK, and by the way, you can stop the submission, and at any point, if you don't want more backlinks than just, for example, Blogger, you can just stop it. when the blogger is complete. And if you want to submit another thing, just click reset here, and you just paste in your data and click run. Thanks.